Hi students, since we have completed the lesson, today we are going to solve the exercise. Let's solve the exercise. This is the way we are going to solve. This is the pattern we are going to follow. Okay, so lesson's name is lesson number 1, the leaf. The first question is fill in the blanks. Second one is write true or false and correct the incorrect statements. 3. Match the following. 4. Choose the correct answer. 5. Choose the odd one from each of the following. 6. Name the following. 7. Define the following. 8. Short answer questions. 9. Long answer questions. Our first question is fill in the blanks. Number 1. The stalk by which leaf lamina is attached to the main stem is called petiole. The answer is petiole. Second one. The angle between the petiole and the stem is called the axil. Axil is the answer. Third one. The end of the petiole joining the stem is called node. Node is the answer. Fourth one. Veins divide and subdivide to form a network of veinlets. Veinlets is the answer. Fifth one. If veins run parallel to the midrib, it is called parallel venation. Parallel is the answer. Number 6. The arrangement of leaves on the nodes of stem and branches is known as phyllotaxy. These are the 6 fill in the blanks. The second question is write true or false and correct the incorrect statements. If it is false, we have to correct the false statement. Okay. So, number 1. Parallel venation are found in the leaves of dicot plants. That is the statement given. It is false because parallel venation are found in monocot plants, not on dicot plants. Okay. So, correct statement is parallel venation are found in monocot plants. I have underlined monocot. Then, next, number 2. In case of Venus flytrap, lamina becomes modified into a pitcher to capture insects. This is the second statement, which is also false. The correct statement is in case of Venus flytrap, the lamina is divided into 2 parts, hinged along the midrib to capture insects. In case of Venus flytrap, the lamina becomes modified or lamina divides into 2 parts and then it hinged along the midrib, and then it capture when the insects comes, it close it. The lamina divided into 2 parts, that both the parts will close it and then the insects will digest inside the lamina, and that is how that Venus flytrap plant grows. Okay, that already we learned. In case of Venus flytrap, lamina becomes or lamina divide into 2 parts hinged along the midrib to capture insects, not modified into pitcher to capture insects. Third one, the leaves of Nepenthes, it's a plant's name, okay, or its the other name is pitcher plant. Okay, the leaves of Nepenthes is broad and has notches at its margins. This statement is false because it doesn't have the broad leaf and it doesn't have notches at its margin. The correct statement is the leaves of bryophyllum. The leaves of bryophyllum is broad and has notches at its margins. So the statement is false. The leaves of Nepenthes is broad and has notches at its margin. It is false. Fourth one. Leaves are modified to spines to reduce water loss. The statement is true. The leaves are modified to spines to reduce water loss. This statement is true. The fifth question is, or the fifth one is, Rhizobium is an insectivorous plant. Rhizobium is not an insectivorous plant. It is false statement. Rhizobium is an insectivorous plant. It is false statement. The correct statement is Rhizobium is a gram-negative bacterium. It is not an insectivorous plant. That is why that statement is false. Sixth one. Lowermost leaves are small, young and bright green. Lowermost leaves are small, young and bright green. This statement is also false. The correct statement is uppermost leaves are small, young and bright green. Uppermost leaves are small, young and bright green. These are the 6 true or false. Our third question is match the following. Monocot, leaf blade, rose, dicots, people, stalk. Option A, reticulate venation, B, simple leaf, C, petiole, D, parallel venation, E, compound leaf, F, lamina. Number 1, monocot. Monocot, the correct answer is parallel venation. Option D, parallel venation is the correct answer. Then number 2, leaf blade. Leaf blade is otherwise known as lamina. Option F is the correct answer. Then third one is rose, that is example of compound leaves. That is option E is the correct answer. Then dicot. Dicot is option A, reticulate venation. In dicot plants, reticulate venation is there on their leaves. So A is the correct answer. Then people leaf, that is example of simple leaf. Option D is the correct answer. Then C. Then last one is stalk. Stalk is otherwise called petiole. Option C is the correct answer. So these are the match the following. Our fourth question is tick the correct answer. Number 1. The point at which leaf is attached to stem is known as A, axil, B, internode, C, bud, D, node. The point at which leaf is attached to the main stem is known as node. Node is the correct answer. Then the part of the leaf in contact with the stem at a node is known as A, leaf base, B, petiole, C is lamina, D, leaf apex. The part of the leaf in contact with the stem at a node is known as stalk or petiole. Petiole is the correct answer. 3. Flattened, thin, green and broad outgrowth of a stem is A, leaf, B, root, C, midrib, D, petiole. Flattened, thin, green and broad outgrowth of a stem is called leaf. So leaf is the correct answer. Third one, option A, leaf is the correct answer. First one, option D, node is the correct answer. 2, option B is the correct answer. Third one, option A is the correct answer. Fourth question is, or fourth one is, leaves in which a lamina is divided into small segments. A. Compound leaves. B. Simple leaves. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Leaves in which lamina is divided into small segments are called compound leaves. So option A is the correct answer. Fifth one, if 3 or more leaves are borne at each node, the arrangement is called A. whorled, B. alternate, C. opposite, D. reticulate. Here D. reticulate is telling this is absolutely wrong because reticulate is in venation. So this is not the right answer. Then there are 3 options here left: whorled, alternate, opposite. These are arrangements of leaves names. So here it is specified here, if 3 or more leaves are borne at each node, that kind of arrangement is called whorled arrangement. Okay, whorled phyllotaxy. That is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer. Whorled phyllotaxy is the correct answer. Then sixth one, Venus flytrap is an example of. We already learned that Venus flytrap is an example of insectivorous plant. So option C, insectivorous plant, is the correct answer. So these are the tick the correct answer. All 6 we have done. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.